I'm going to show you how to use the angle pocket tool. Now these are available in tamaramortoncrafts.com and they are an ideal tool for creating angled pockets, or as I'm going to show you now, is a layering tool. So all you need is your pattern paper and your cardstock. I've just whacked some glue onto the back of this piece of pattern paper, and we're going to cut our matten layers. Now on the tool you have got two sizes, a 1/8 of an inch or a 1/4 inch. I'm going to go with the 1/8 of an inch, and on the tool you have got these etched lines. They are what you're going to use to position those etched lines onto the edge of the pattern paper that you've already glued down to your cardstock. So using a craft knife and your cutting mat, be very careful if you're using your craft knife. Keep your fingers and toes out of the way at all times. So using the edge of the tool, we're just going to run that craft knife down the edge to cut that off, and you're going to get a perfect mat and layer. So keeping going all the way round, and you will get a perfect layer every single time. And hey presto, you have a perfectly layered mat and layer, like so, ready to put in your pocket of your book. The other thing this tool does is it creates these angled pockets. If you want to see more, please do become a follower, give a thumbs up, and I will show you how to do these angled pockets.